Good afternoon, students. In this learning session, we will be discussing about the topic of urinary system. We have Frenobin here to discuss and explain about the anatomical structure and few about physiological functioning about urinary system. Yes, Frenobin again.
Good afternoon all, I'm Frenobin. So we are going to discuss about the urinary system. We have a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. The kidneys receive the blood from the cardiac output for filtration. Nephron is the functional unit of kidney. It is where the filtration process is done, and the filtered urine will be passing through the ureters to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder has 3 openings. Both openings are from the ureters, and other one is the urethral opening. And this stores the urine, and the urine is later excreted through the ureters.
Can you explain how the kidneys are getting blood from?
The kidneys will be getting blood from cardiac output through the aorta, and then filtration takes place in the kidney.
Okay. So what is the role of inferior vena cava over there?
The filtered blood will be passing through the
Filtered blood, or it is the deoxygenated blood from the renal system is getting into it?
Yes.
Okay. So how many? What are the structures that comes under the kidney or the renal system?
It has renal arteries, renal veins, and renal capsule.
You are right. Then any other points of renal structure? What is the functional unit of renal kidneys? Nephrons. Okay. So how about the layers or the parts of kidney? Have you? Very good. Roshan. Medulla, cortex and medulla. So the cortex and medulla. What is this part being called? Which is the hilum or the pelvis? Can you point out somebody? You can ask some students to point out. Which is hilum or pelvis? Oh, that region. Okay. So the shorter curvature area will be called as pelvis or hilum of the kidney. Then any other points to be added? Frenobin has explained that the kidney has 2 kidneys, ureters, bladder and urethra. Any other thing you can add to this concept? Yes? Have you seen a patient with renal kidney problems, urinary problem? Anywhere? Okay. So can you ask some student to give a wholesome content of what you have discussed?
Awesome.
Add point by point, you can give it.
Urinary systems is consist of a pair of kidney, a pair of
Ureters.
urinary bladder and urethra. And we get the blood from cardiac output. It receives to the kidney and it gets filtered by nephron, and it enters into the ureters and it stores into the urinary bladder and excretes as urine.
What is the shape of the urinary bladder? What is that? Trigon, very good. Trigon shaped. Okay, the urinary bladder is trigon shaped. Okay. Want some more points to be asked? Another?
Can you point out the parts?
Parts of a kidney?
Parts of the urine.
Yes.
Kidney, aorta,
Right and left kidney you can mention.
right kidney, left kidney, aorta, inferior vena cava, ureters, urinary bladder, urethra.
Okay. Where is hilum? So you can conclude once again, and you can ask somebody to write and come or draw a diagram of urinary system in their notebook. Ask them to draw. You ask them to draw. You just draw the structure of kidney alone. You draw. Ellen, draw. Get the pen and draw the structure of kidney. Good, very good. Alan did a good job. That was nice structure being drawn correctly. Good. Good work.
Thank you.
Good. Thank you, Pranabin, for discussing this. Good.